Dear friends, welcome to this guided meditation by My Journey Studio. Today, we're going to take a powerful step towards calming anxiety and bringing a sense of ease into your mind and body. We'll use gentle breathing techniques and body awareness to help soothe your nervous system and cultivate feelings of safety, relaxation, and inner peace. By the end, you're going to feel more grounded, relaxed, and ready to face whatever comes your way. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. If possible, let your back be supported. Most people feel more relaxed by closing the eyes, but feel free to open the eyes if that feels more comfortable to you. For some of us, particularly those who have experienced anxiety, the nervous system can sometimes feel triggered when we close our eyes. So feel free to keep them slightly open with a soft gaze if that feels better. You're also welcome to lie down if you want to. Feel free to shift positions at any time during this meditation. It's lovely to be still, but it's even better to be comfortable. So if you can get even 1% more comfortable right now, I invite you to go ahead and make that adjustment. Remember, anxiety is a natural response to stress, but this meditation is going to engage your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest system, helping to slow down your heart rate, relax your muscles, and bring your body back to a state of balance. Now, I invite you to bring awareness to your breath. Notice your inhale and your exhale. Without trying to change anything about the breath, we're simply noticing how the body is naturally breathing right now. We're not so much watching the breath, we're experiencing the breath, feeling what it's like to breathe. Perhaps you can feel the cool air coming in through the nostrils as you breathe in. As the lungs, chest, and stomach expand. And then you might notice the warm air leaving as the body softens and relaxes. Now, to help activate your body's natural relaxation response, I invite you to gently lengthen your exhalation, making sure your out-breath is longer than your in-breath. A simple way to do this is with a gentle count. Breathing in for 3, breathing out for 6. Let's try this together. Breathing in, 2, 3. Breathing out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel free to adjust the count to whatever feels comfortable for you. Some of you might prefer breathing in for 2 and out for 4, or in for 4 and out for 8. There's no need to be precise. Just make sure that out breath is about twice as long as the in breath. Let's continue this for a few more breaths. keeping the body relaxed as we breathe. Sometimes when we take deeper breaths, we can create tension, especially on the inhale. We can't be stressed and relaxed at the same time. So if you notice the tension, perhaps don't breathe in quite so deeply. Reduce that breath by 10 or 20% and keep the body soft. Good. Now whenever you're ready, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm and notice how the body is breathing now. Perhaps the breath is a little softer, a little slower. Now, we're going to move into a gentle body scan, slowly moving our awareness through the body and releasing tension wherever we find it. Remember, my instructions are a gentle guide. If your intuition leads you somewhere else, feel free to change my words or even ignore them completely. Let's begin by bringing awareness to your feet. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. Moving up to your legs now. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. Bringing awareness to your hips and pelvis. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. Moving to your stomach now. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. And now the chest. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. Moving to your shoulders. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. Bringing awareness to your arms and hands. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. Bringing awareness to your arms and hands. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. Moving to your neck and throat. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. And finally, your head and face. When you exhale, release any tension and relax. The stiller we become, the more we can feel this alive body. When we're feeling anxious, we're so often caught up in our heads that we don't notice what this body actually feels like. So right now, we're simply allowing the body to find its balance while remaining alert, awake, and present. If you notice your mind wandering to worries about the future or thoughts about the past, that's perfectly normal. The mind naturally gravitates toward these thoughts. especially when we're feeling anxious. As soon as you realize you're caught up in thought, without giving yourself a hard time, gently and patiently bring your awareness back to the breath, back to that next inhale, and back to that next exhale. Now, I invite you to breathe in these healing affirmations. Let them settle into your heart and mind as we nurture your spirit with gentle, loving words. As you breathe in, silently repeat, "I am safe." As you breathe out, "I release all fear." Breathing in, "I am peaceful." Breathing out, "I let go of worry." Breathing in, "I trust in this moment." Breathing out, "I let go of anxiety." Breathing in, "I am strong and resilient." Breathing out, "I let go of stress." Breathing in, "I choose peace." Breathing out, "I release all overwhelm." Take a moment now to choose whichever affirmation feels most healing for you right now, and breathe with that intention. Let this loving message flow through your entire being, filling every cell with peace and comfort. Notice how these words of kindness and truth are creating space for healing within you. You are worthy of this peace. You are deserving of this calm. As this practice comes to an end, know that you can always come back to this place of relaxation, peace, and safety. The breath is always there for you. Before we finish, take a moment to notice what feels different in your body and mind. Perhaps you're feeling more relaxed. Maybe there's more spaciousness in the mind. Or a feeling of safety in the body. Even if you're not feeling completely relaxed, and that's okay too. You have given yourself this gift of pause and care. Remember, our emotions and thoughts are all part of being human. Some days, they're calm and easy to handle. Other days, they might feel a bit too much. But whatever you're feeling, remember, it's just a visitor passing through. I invite you now to bring awareness to sounds. Sounds inside the room, sounds outside the room. You can gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes and come back to the room. Remember, whenever you notice anxious thoughts or feelings arising, you can gently return your attention to the breath. allowing yourself to find calm and safety in the present moment. I'm so glad that you took this time to care for your mind and body. You have created space for peace in your life, and that's something to honor. Wishing you peace in your heart, sending you love and light. Namaskar.